Okay, so this question says the man currently has stock worth a total of $50,000. It has been growing exponentially at an average rate of 1.25 per year. What did the stock worth 4 years ago? So let us just pull out important information. So the total worth of the stock was like 50,000 right now currently. We know it's growing exponentially, so we know we're going to think about the exponential equation. What's the growth rate of the stock right now? The growth rate is 1.25 per year. So we have that information, and we're going to try to find the value of this stock 4 years ago, and 4 years ago is before now. So what does that mean? So let's get into how we are going to go about solving this problem. So we know the initial value to be 50,000. We know that it has a growth factor of 1.25, and that is enough for us to write the equation that models this situation. So remember, it is written in the form y is equal to a times b to the x, right? So our initial value is, or 50,000, our growth factor is 1.25. Now, 4 years ago, what does that mean? 4 years ago actually it means 4 years before now, before the start. And so when we think about before, we know it's going to represent a negative exponent. So what does that mean in this case? So the value of the stock 4 years ago will occur when x is -4, because it's before the initial value. And so we're going to replace x with -4 in the equation itself. Now, what does that mean? What that will actually mean is that 1.25 is raised to the -4. And I know so far we have been thinking about, okay, well, a negative exponent means a reciprocal of a number. So what are we being raised to the negative exponent? We have this 1.25, and right now it actually means 1.25 divided by 1. We still take the reciprocal of that, right? So what's the reciprocal of that? You're flipping it, so it is now 1 over 1.25. And this line actually represents division, so if you simplify that, that is being raised to the 4th power. If you put this in your calculator, what that will mean is that 1 divided by 1.25 results into 0.8. So that is going to be equal to, that exponential piece of your equation is equal to 0.8, and that's raised to the 4th power. So when you simplify this, this would be the same as y is equal to 50,000 times 0.8 multiplied by itself 4 times. And when you multiply 0.8 by itself 4 times, that is going to give you 0.4096. So what you have is y is equal to 50,000 multiplied by 0.4096. And when you simplify that, so 50,000 times 0.4096 is going to give you 20,480. So your y in this case is equal to 20,480. What does that mean? It means that 4 years ago the stock was 20,480, and currently it values 50,000. So you're seeing that there was a rapid increase or gain, exponential gain in how the stock grew.